Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be covering a project that's been very hot recently, SingularityNET. The native token is AGIX. Let's get into it. So I want to start off by saying none of this is financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes. Get yourself a financial advisor. At the time of recording this video, I currently do not own any SingularityNET. I do potentially plan on getting back in, but at the time of recording this video, I do not own any. So when you look at SingularityNET, it is currently the 84th largest cryptocurrency according to CoinMarketCap. It is currently sitting at a price of 41 cents, roughly, and its market cap is just shy of $500 million. Right now, the circulating supply of AGIX is about 1.2 million, and 60% of it is released. It has a max supply of 2 million. So 60% is already released. That's not too bad for a circulating supply. The fully diluted market cap would be 821 million. Also not too bad. SingularityNET has a major opportunity to lead all AI projects, not just crypto. It's leveraging crypto right now, but it literally could be massive. It's not just a crypto AI project. And AGIX stands for Artificial General Intelligence Exchange. And when you look at the all-time index on SingularityNET, it just recently is pretty much testing those same levels that it was testing back in 2021, back in the 2021 peak of the bull market. It already right now is testing those levels. So it is doing much better than most projects. So basically what SingularityNET aims to do is make AI accessible to the average everyday person. The team behind the SingularityNET pioneered the development of an AI called Sophia, which is described as the world's most expressive robot. SingularityNET's goal is to enable Sophia to be able to fully understand human language and continue developing OpenCog, an AI framework that is hoped to eventually achieve a state known as advanced general intelligence, human level artificial intelligence, or beyond. That's crazy stuff. Like, that's the amount of potential that SingularityNET has is way bigger than just crypto. So, when we go back to the market cap and you look at $494 million, that is nothing compared to what SingularityNET aims to actually accomplish. This is a project that realistically could go to, 30, 40, 50 billion dollars, and that would not shock me at all. So what makes Singularity unique? SingularityNET is the first platform that makes it easy for developers to sell their AI tools and libraries and enables buyers to test any AI service provided on the marketplace to see if it meets their needs before making payments. Another thing that I want to go over with SingularityNET is when you look at the markets that it's on, and strictly speaking, like in the United States, right? The United States, so yes, SingularityNET is listed on Binance, but in the United States, it's not on Binance.us and it's not on Coinbase. Yes, you can buy it on KuCoin. You can get it through Uniswap. You can get it on Gate.io, MEXC. Like, there are ways to get it in the United States, but it's not on Binance.us or Coinbase, which are the two major United States exchanges. If it gets listed on those anytime soon, I think AGIX could grow significantly larger. That will make it to where the average retail person can get in. So when you look at the website, it looks pretty good. I highly recommend you guys go and do your own research into this. These are some of the services that they offer already. So hate speech detection, image captioning, handwritten text recognition, printed text recognition, music lyrics generation. I mean, long story short, SingularityNET has enormous potential next bull run and the bull run after that. SingularityNET could be absolutely huge. AI is definitely going to be a part of our future. And if SingularityNET is the one that ends up on top, everyone is going to regret not investing in it. And now for the final part of the video, we're going to get into a little bit of technical analysis. When you look at AGIX, right, and you look at like the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, it doesn't matter. Same pattern. And this is also the Binance chart, so there's not as much. Right now, AGIX is in a falling wedge, which falling wedges break up 68% of the time. And the measured move would be the length of the base of this to the top of the channel. So realistically speaking, if it hit the measured move, I could see AGIX coming up to 69 cents. But at the same time, AGIX has gone parabolic recently, and it hasn't retraced that much compared to what a lot of projects retrace. So be very careful. I will say right now, like the daily time frame, the stochastics have completely reset. The RSI is below the dotted line of the halfway point. And on the 4-hour, same thing. I will say on the 4-hour, I wouldn't be shocked at all if AGIX came back down to the bottom of this trend, came down to like that 36 range, or also you just look at like previous levels. I mean, it has heavy support in that 38-cent range. I wouldn't be shocked if it comes down, let the 4-hour reset a little bit, come down to that 38-cent range. Right now it's at about 41 cents before it moves. And obviously this is just the measured move. This is not, there's no guarantees that any of this happens. AGIX could go to zero. Who knows? And I also want to preface, macroeconomics significantly outweigh any technical analysis. So if anything comes out that AGIX gets banned, anything like that, like macroeconomics significantly outweigh TA. Now I'm going to look at Bitcoin a little bit. I know I sound like a broken record if you've watched the last 3 videos. I have been talking about this bearish divergence on Bitcoin, where price action swings up and the RSI swings down. That's class A bearish divergence. It had played out a little bit, and right now we have a lot stronger support than I figured we would have, but we do. And again, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. If all of a sudden the United States comes out and says Bitcoin is legal tender, it doesn't matter what technical analysis is saying at all. Bitcoin's going to skyrocket. Anything can happen. I want to preface that. Do not make a trade based off of technical analysis alone. Make sure you do your own research. Right now, I personally am going to wait a little bit to accumulate some AGIX. Typically, from what I have seen in the past, for the years I've been in this, divergences are a good indicator. However, I will say this though, Bitcoin, the stochastics are starting to reset and they're starting to curve up. So I also would not be shocked if price action came up, made a higher high, and the RSI comes up to the top of the pattern and completely negates the bearish divergence. Just be very careful. I think AGIX looks pretty solid, but again, it has went parabolic. Be very careful, do your own research, but I think AGIX could look solid in the short term. And I think long term, it will do very well. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. And again, none of this is financial advice. Thank you.